friends, this is my database third experiment. This is the first question. They are already in the last exercise I have created the tables and entered the values. Here the first thing the question I asked is find out how many customers have booked the details. Here I select is used to select the column of a particular table. So I have used count is a keyword which is used to count how many number of columns are there in that particular thing, and distinct is used to see the distinct, not it does not display the same number of things. It just sees the distinct, like if number 2 are there, then both the things will not be there, only it takes as 1 2, so it counts only the distinct things. So they asked how many number of customers, so I'm counting the customer IDs. So select count distinct customer IDs from car booking. This is my table car booking, so the answer is 4. And select, you can see it like this is how select star means it will select all the columns or all the table price details. So we have car ID 1 2 3 4 5 5 car IDs we have, this is thing. And update price details car row update. Here they asked me to do a row update. So update is a keyword which is used to for update, and this is the table name. Set keyword is used to set anything. So car type equal luxury car, so I'm selecting the luxury car here, where car type equal to premium, so I'm changing the premium to luxury car. So you can see it here, the premium car is changed to luxury car. What's the average price of the luxury car? They have asked average price of the luxury car they have asked. So select average is the keyword which is used to calculate the average. So basic price per day from price details, where car type equal to, where is the keyword which is for a particular thing, for a particular distinct thing you want to check it out, we use the where keyword. So where car type equal to luxury, so it checks only for the luxury car type. So select average basic price only selected for the luxury car. So this is the basic average, that is 2000. Then what is the maximum date of booking of a car? So select max is the keyword which is used to see which has the maximum value and displays the maximum value. So maximum date booking date from car booking, so it shows the 7th November. Find out the number of booking for each car, arrange them in the ascending order. So select the same count where I'm using book number, booking number, then car ID from booking number and car ID. I'm using this both two things I'm accessing from car booking table. Group by is used when we want to show the whole thing for a group. So particular group if we want to show it, so we'll use the group keyword. So group by car ID. So same car IDs will be grouped into one and displayed the same thing. You can see it here. 101 have the 2 times it has booked. So it both as clubbed and displayed as 2. And order by is used to when you want to display anything in an ascending order. So order by keyword is used. Order by count booking number. So this depends on the booking number, count booking number. So this is what I displayed 1 2 2 3. And select sum, return type, booking, return date and booking date, return type minus booking date. So I'm adding the sum of this, and car ID from details. So this is how it shows. 59, it shows the dates of booking. Next, find out the car which is booked for the maximum number of days. So select, this is for what we used actually here. For this I have used this one. So this is how we need to do for checking the maximum number of dates, which is maximum number of days. So it's like return booking from booking date. So if a car was booked now, it was booked yesterday and returned today, so it is calculated as 1 day. So I'm calculating in that way. So booking date minus return date minus booking date, I'll get the value. So sum is the keyword which you use for sum or subtraction. Here this is the most important thing, this will decide what to do. I'm taking it from the car ID, from car booking table, and group by car ID. So these are the values, and we can see it. Car ID 103 has 81 days booking. So for this I'm using sum max, I'm using here. So you can find as sum equal to select max. So max will be used, so 81 will be displayed here. You can select sum car ID having sum equal to max. So this will be like having is another keyword which is used for conditions. Having sum of car ID equal to maximum, which has the maximum, so it will be displayed the 81. So now display the customer name starting with R, capital R or small r. Select first name comma last name from customer details, where first name like R percentage. R percentage is used to check anything, any letter plus the percentage is used to check whether it is starting with that letter or not. So R percentage, or is a keyword which is like accept this one or that one. It will shows the both the results like normal maths form. So it checks us only Radhika Ram is there, and the last name is Mohan. Now which booking is done most recently. So it's like we can check it out minimum date. So like a system date is as well as is a date of the system now, and the booking date is the booking date where when the customer is booked. So we can check it out. The difference between gives the number of days booking till from today. So if I get the minimum number of days, that will be like the day which is recently booked. So I select minimum minus from the car booking. So you will get this whole booking date which is booked that day from car booking, where system date minus booking date. I replace the register number which has X with T. So update is a keyword which is used to update, and this is the table name. Set is used to when you want to change something, and register number equal to replace is a keyword which you want to replace it. So register number with where X is there, we need to change it to T. This is the old thing and this is the new thing we want to say. So 5 rows updated, you can see it here. Everything was changed. Register which has X, it is changed to TT, XTX. If you have seen in the last thing, you can if you should have seen it, everything was changed actually. See here, you can see that RTX is there, and here it is changed to T. So here it is changed. Now display the dollar symbol in front of the price. So we need to add dollar symbol. So I'm using it as select car ID data type star symbol comma, this one will be added before it. See, these two are used before the basic price per day. I'm using it as this one. So this is used to concatenate both the things. So that one into price. Find the car booking in a leap year. So leap year in the sense you can check the dates. If divided by 4, you can get it, or you can like 2000, 2004, 2008, 2012, 16, 20, because it was started recently. So select star from car where car ID in this one is an subquery. Select distinct car ID from car booking, where to car as right in instance if the booking date year is matched with this, those cars will be displayed here. So you can see it here, only these cars were 3 cars are booked at that time. Find the top 3 booking of cars. Select row num car ID, select count car ID from car booking, group by car ID, order by count. So count where row num is less than 3. Here we are using the row num keyword. Row num keyword is used to actually like SL number, serial number. It is used for a serial number. So I'm having the serial number here. Row num is used for as a serial number here. So when we update it, the whole table will be changed. So the order will be like this. So I'm displaying the first 3 using the where row num is less than or equal to 3. calculate the age of the customer using date of birth, find who is the oldest. So it's like system date minus date of birth. You can change it to very easily, system date to minus age. You can see select the name. This is used for concatenation. This one is used. Space I give last name as name, and to char system date comma year minus. I'm changing it to character, from number to character, normal character, and date of birth comma year. I'm taking only the year here, only the year I'm taking, and I'm subtracting from the system date minus the date of birth, so we can get the age here. Select the first name and the last name. So here I'm using, here I'll write the maximum. So this one is there. So here I'll use another where. Here I'll use the query. So here I'll use the query where the system date equal to max of, select max of the system date minus the date of birth. So you'll get the from customer details. So you'll get the one who is more old. In that, arrange the customer in a descending order. So you will use the order by first name and descending. DSC is used. Normally it's like default, it will be ascending order. If you want to change to descending order, we need to write DESC. So select the count car ID divided by 8 from the car booking by ID. Find the average booking of each car and which are all booked more than the average. So I'm just here, this is the question. Here I'm checking the average one, which is the more than the average. I'm taking the average here. So count car ID divided by 8. Total we have 8 things. So divide car ID group by ID. So total 8 are there. So I'm grouping it by ID. So I have this answer. This car ID is divided 1, 2, 3, 4. I got it. I'm taking the average of it. Average divided of car ID. So I got it as 25. So this is the minimum value. Now I can check it out. Now I can check it. So if it is less than 25 or not, which have booked more than the average. Find the average booking of the car, which are all booked more than the average. Actually, okay. So I'm using the same thing. Select car ID divided as average from car group by car ID having the count divided should be greater than all. Select the average count car ID divided by 8 from the car booking group by car ID. So the same thing will be displayed here. Actually this is 375. So which are the only more which has is the 375. So I'm using, we'll have only 375. Here the car, I'm displaying even the car ID. Here I add the car ID also. So I want to display which car is booked more, average. And 15th thing, find the car which is offered with minimum price. I'll take this up, minimum basic price. We can take it off. Select star from price details where basic detail per day equal to select minimum. You can directly use this one instead of writing this thing, but if I use equal it will be better. Select minimum basic price from car details, so it will be displaying only that. So this is how I created my database